Standard 9, Subject History and Political Science, Chapter 3, India's Internal Challenges. Dear children, in this video we shall study the second part of this chapter, that is Naxalism, Communalism and Regionalism. Naxalism, Naxalite movement. This movement started at Naxalbari in Darjeeling district in West Bengal. The Naxalites organized the small land holding farmers and land laborers and took charge of their lands, put up red flags and declared that area as free territory in 1967. All those movements that took inspiration from this rebellion are called Naxalite movements. The movement had the objectives of establishing action committees to raise a voice against the exploitation of the farmers by the landlords and confiscate the land of the landlords and distribute it among the tenants. Later, the movement strayed away from its objectives. It took recourse to terrorism to prevent any government scheme and welfare policies from reaching the common people. This movement was mainly located in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. The Naxalite established an organization called People's Liberation Guerrilla Army (PLGA). This conflict is still going on. Now, communalism. Communalism is a serious threat to the unity of our country. Communalism emerges out of narrow religious pride. The British sowed the seeds of communalism in our country. People of different religions have happily lived together since many centuries. But when this pride becomes excessive, then it turns into bigotry. Each of them begins to consider their religion superior and others inferior. This leads to religious fanatism. Fanatism is the base of communalism. It makes one oblivious of national interest. People of different religions don't trust each other. People begin to think of economic and social questions also in the framework of their own religion. They begin to believe that they are being treated unjustly. They hold the idea that government is partially against their religion. In such a condition, they become too sensitive about their religion and their co-religionists. Riots break out because of this kind of thinking. Hundreds of innocent people are killed. Public property worth crores of rupees is damaged. Public peace is destroyed. Hence, it is necessary that we all counter this religious communalism with all our strength. For this, we should mix with people of different religions. We should accept the good practices and ideas of each other. We should be able to look at and understand our economic and social problem rationally. We should not mix these questions with religion. We should search for the economic, political or historical reasons that are responsible for distributing religious harmony. This is the only way to put an end to communalism and strengthen national unity. Regionalism. Regionalism means having excessive pride about one's region. It is natural to feel love for one's province, but it should not become abnormal. Regionalism can affect developed as well as undeveloped states. The people of developed states begin to believe that they are superior due to their superior history and culture, and hence they have developed that much. Then they begin to look down upon the people of underdeveloped regions. They are not willing to share the benefits of development with the backward states. On the other hand, the people from backward areas need to arouse their regional identity to organize themselves. For this, they try to unnecessarily glorify local traditions and cultures to prove their uniqueness. This leads to regionalism. it endangers national unity. The evil of regionalism can be tackled by reducing the imbalance in development. Thank you.